Let's see here. Tsuyoshi Makoda, 27 years old. His unique skill is online grocery.
What the heck?
Internet here?
Hold on. Is that it?
It looks like that's the only unique skill you have.
May I say something? No matter how you slice it, I'm not a hero. And I'd probably just get in everyone's way if I stayed. Sorry, I know you're desperate for help.
The online grocery
But if
guy,
possible, I'd like to try to live a quiet, simple life in this world. A website popped up.
Fenrir, I wish to feast upon the dish you've made. Can you not hear me? The dish, bring it to me.
Here you go.
I hunger still. Do it, man.
I'm sorry. I'll have to make a whole new batch. Could you please wait a moment?
Do not test my patience.
Thank you. Please enjoy.
More, quickly.
Yes. Enjoy.
More.
Right away. Enjoy.
I want more.
Okay.
More. More.
Yes.
More.
Yes.
That was rather delicious.
I'm glad you liked it.
The familiar contract between us is established, and now you are tasked with giving me a name.
Let's see. Pochi?
If you're mocking me, I'm not amused.
Back to the drawing board.
I shall fish here.
How are you going to fish without a rod?
I have no need of such a thing. There's a far easier way. Good haul. Take all you want.
Yeah. So are all these fish dead, or what?
I've shocked them into a state of unconsciousness. If left alone, they'll awaken.
Poor fishies.
There is but one condition. 'Tis her desire that she receive a weekly prayer offering to be comprised of otherworldly sweets.
Well, that's awfully specific. Offerings and prayers are no problem. But what about an altar? And how do I pray exactly?
Anything can be used as an altar. Anything at all. You could literally use that rock over there. Likewise, the form of your prayers matters not. What's important is to effectively convey your feelings. I almost forgot. The goddess requests that her first offering be of anpan, cream bread, and melon bread.
So she has a specific order. Yep, she's obsessed with sweets, just like I thought. Is it still an offering if she comes out and asks for it?
Finally, at long last! The Sanpan even appeared in my dreams! Oh. So delightfully soft and fluffy! Truly, this must be the happiness humans speak of! Does it pair as well with the other sweets, I wonder? No, I mustn't. These sweets are too precious. I owe it to myself to savor them one at a time! Yes, savor them one at a time. Not fair! How am I supposed to resist them when they're so tasty?
Sweet, you say? You know, all that running wore me out. Thus, I too require chocolate.
Really, you worn out?
Can you hear me? It is I, Ninrir, goddess of wind.
Oh, Ninrir?
This is a divine message.
A divine message for me?
Please listen carefully. I would like you to make me an offering of chocolate immediately.
Huh?
Oh, that's right. Put some dorayaki in there as well.
So, this is a divine message?
A very divine message, yes.
You're not just craving.
It's divine, okay?
But wait, there's no way it's been more than a few days since my last offering. What happened to the whole once-a-week thing?
Oh, give me a break! Even gods and goddesses need a treat once in a while!
Your true colors are showing. So about the other sweets...
They're long gone, obviously.
Yeah, that's pretty much what I figured.
Showing such devotion to prayer. I'm very impressed.
Actually, I'm not so much praying as being preyed upon.
When I checked before, there were 10 kobolds gathered. Fight hard.
10 of them? That looks like a few more than 10.
That's correct. It would seem that you have quite a fight on your hands. Sui seems ready.
Hey, Sui, why are you so excited about all this? Are you actually an adorable bloodthirsty maniac?
Rather impressive. This little slime is braver than you.
Wait, my stats. A 2-week-old slime has better stats than me. And what is with all that red stuff on your mouth?
You have been asleep for quite some time. I was hungry, so I got a bite to eat.
I see.
Sui talked a lot with Uncle Fel after we got out of the dungeon.
Uncle Fel?
Do not laugh! Sui, I've already told you you are not to call me Uncle Phil.
Just let it...
Master is sleeping, and while we wait for him to wake up, Sui will talk to Uncle Fel.
Did you just say uncle?
Uncle Fel.
Wait, why did you call me uncle?
Because you're older than Sui. That's why you're Uncle Fel.
So, Sui, are those things you think make someone a good uncle? No. Again, do not call me your uncle, Sui.
Why?
Because I said so.
Hey, you ate mine!
It was delicious.
I'm sorry for being a little late. I'm very sorry, Goddess. It's just I've been quite busy lately.
You lied to me! I've been watching you! You just got careless and forgot about me!
I'll be more careful from now on.
You better make sure this does not happen ever again, you hear? I was so close to sending another divine message, you don't even know!
I am so sorry. As a humble apology, I am offering you delicious Western desserts today. I'm sure you'll enjoy them. Is that good?
These are called Western desserts. They each look so delicious. And there's also many of them here. Oh, what is this? You have to prepare the same amount for me next time. That is an order. They are so delicious.
Oh, as you wish, Goddess. Just leaves? This should never see the light of day again. I beseech thee, accept these gifts. I am grateful for thy blessing with all my heart. I ask that you please continue to watch over me. Wahoo? Seriously?
I don't see what's wrong with that. More importantly, take care not to forget your offerings in the future.
It is already decided. Since I last ate fish, my craving for delicious sea creatures has grown ever stronger.
Are you for real? Sui? Sui?
It seems Sui has evolved further.
Wait, huh? It's a big slime now? As of when? And what's proliferate?
That's a skill that lets Sui do things like get bigger or smaller whenever Sui wants.
Are you able to shrink too?
Sui will try.
Huh?
Let's work hard and love those bodies!
Tell me, Fel, have you ever seen a slime like Sui?
No. In all the many years I've lived before this day, I have not.
The Guildmaster is asking to see you. Please bring your familiars.
I knew this would happen! Aren't you going to gain weight if you eat too much?
How dare you! I'll have you know a goddess such as myself would never gain weight!
You've made so much. Awesome, Sui. Try hitting something far away with it.
Sui will try. Wow, that was amazing!
My cute little Sui.
What about this move?
I did it! Sui fell! Look at it! Earth Magic House! Yes!
A house? Half of them would have lost their lives in the process.
Half of them!
So when you took so long to return, we all started to worry that maybe they were too much for a Fenrir to handle.
Yeah, right. If only he knew Fell took down the wyverns in no time flat, and then we spent the rest of the time eating!
Those wyverns caused me no trouble whatsoever. The reason for our lateness is that we were enjoying a leisurely meal.
A meal?
Listen, the thing is... Please don't look at me like that. None of them are the least bit goddess-like. I'll say this. Each one of you has gotten in touch with me privately, but the jig's gonna be up as soon as the offerings get there.
Yeah, I didn't think of that.
Hey. So tell me, were you three secretly asking him for extra offerings?
No way, Agni! This is just...
I wonder how that salaryman is doing.
Online grocery? It isn't nice to laugh, Cannon. His stats were super low to boot. If he happened to run into a great wolf, then...
They'd kill him for sure. He'd be hard-pressed even to make it from one town to the next. Hope he doesn't push himself.
We do well not to be careless ourselves. If we're going to defeat the Demon King and get home, we need to become a whole lot stronger. I even heard there was an adventurer out there who turned a mighty Fenrir into his familiar.
Isn't that just a rumor that's going around? Really, you worry too much.
No, you're too laid back, Kaito.
Come on, settle down. We're heroes, right?
And I'd say this is a pretty fun world we found ourselves in. If only the food tasted better. You know, it looks pretty good today.
All right, let's eat.
Tasty.